Acne. It's the uninvited guest that nobody wants at their party. This common skin condition can impact self-esteem and leave us feeling frustrated. But fear not, because effective treatments like benzoyl peroxide and salicylic acid are here to help us fight back. These two powerhouse ingredients are like superheroes for your skin, each with their own unique ways of tackling acne. Understanding how they work, their pros and cons, and which one suits your skin type is key to achieving a clearer, more confident complexion. So buckle up as we delve into the world of benzoyl peroxide and salicylic acid, comparing their strengths and helping you discover your perfect skincare sidekick. Ready to declare victory over those pesky pimples? Let's go. Benzoyl peroxide is like the tough but effective gym coach of the acne fighting world. It works by delivering a powerful blow to the bacteria, P. acnes, that contribute to those pesky pimples. Think of benzoyl peroxide as a deep cleanser that penetrates your pores and eradicates the bacteria causing inflammation and redness. It's available in various strengths, typically ranging from 2.5% to 10%, with higher percentages packing a stronger punch but potentially causing more dryness. Benefits: benzoyl peroxide is a champion at tackling inflammatory acne, particularly those angry red bumps and whiteheads. It helps reduce redness and swelling, paving the way for clearer skin. However, like any good coach, benzoyl peroxide can be a bit intense at times. It might cause dryness, redness, or peeling, especially when you first start using it. If benzoyl peroxide is the tough coach, then salicylic acid is the gentle but effective yoga instructor. It works by exfoliating your skin, gently removing dead skin cells that can clog pores and lead to breakouts. Imagine salicylic acid as a tiny vacuum cleaner, unclogging your pores and preventing the buildup of oil and debris that can contribute to blackheads and whiteheads. It's available in cleansers, toners, serums, and spot treatments, offering versatile options for your skincare routine. One of the biggest benefits of salicylic acid is its ability to prevent future breakouts. By keeping pores clear and controlling oil production, it helps keep your skin smooth and blemish-free. While generally well tolerated, salicylic acid can sometimes cause mild dryness or irritation, especially if you have sensitive skin. It's always a good idea to start with a lower concentration, around 0.5% to 2%, and gradually increase as needed. Section 4. Skin Type Showdown. Which ingredient reigns supreme? Choosing between benzoyl peroxide and salicylic acid depends largely on your skin type and the type of acne you're battling. For those with oily, acne-prone skin who are no strangers to inflammatory acne, think red, angry pimples, benzoyl peroxide might be your new best friend. Its bacteria-fighting properties can help calm inflammation and prevent new breakouts. If you have dry or sensitive skin, salicylic acid might be a gentler option. Its exfoliating action can help keep pores clear without overly drying out your skin. Salicylic acid is also a good choice for blackheads and whiteheads, which are often caused by clogged pores. Section 5. Practical pointers. Navigating benzoyl peroxide and salicylic acid. Using benzoyl peroxide and salicylic acid effectively involves a bit of know-how. Here are some practical tips to keep in mind. Start slowly. Introduce either ingredient gradually to your routine, using it once a day or every other day to assess your skin's tolerance. Moisturize. Both ingredients can be drying, so always follow up with a moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated. Sun protection is key. Both benzoyl peroxide and salicylic acid can increase your skin's sensitivity to the sun. Always apply sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher, especially during the day. Patch test. Before applying to your entire face, test a small area of skin to check for any adverse reactions. Be patient. Results take time, so be patient and consistent with your routine. Section 6. Combination therapy. Teaming up for clearer skin. In some cases, combining benzoyl peroxide and salicylic acid can be a winning strategy for combating acne. This 1-2 punch can target multiple aspects of acne, offering comprehensive treatment. For example, you could use a benzoyl peroxide cleanser in the morning to target bacteria, and a salicylic acid spot treatment in the evening to address individual blemishes. However, it's important to proceed with caution when combining these ingredients, as it can increase the risk of dryness or irritation. Start slowly, monitor your skin's reaction closely, and consult a dermatologist if you have any concerns. They can help you create a personalized skincare routine that addresses your unique needs. Section 7. Conclusion. Your personalized plan for acne relief. Navigating the world of acne treatments can feel overwhelming, but remember, you're not alone. Benzoyl peroxide and salicylic acid are two powerful allies in your fight against blemishes, each with unique strengths and potential drawbacks. By understanding how these ingredients work, considering your skin type, and following practical tips for usage, you can unlock clearer, healthier skin. Remember, consistency is key, so be patient with your routine and celebrate those small victories along the way. If you're struggling with persistent or severe acne, don't hesitate to seek guidance from a board-certified dermatologist. They can provide personalized recommendations and help you achieve your skincare goals. Here's to putting your best face forward.